Welcome back. So joining us is Shaniece Edwards, owner of Pallet Picnix Ja, and she's here to share with us how she got started on her entrepreneurial journey and also how we can celebrate this Women's Day in fine picnic style. Hi Shaniece, welcome. How are you?
I'm okay. Thank you for having me.
Now, the tagline of your business is "We curate, you celebrate." What does this philosophy mean for the experiences you offer?
Okay, so Pallet Picnics offer a full picnic service, and of course, we boast in full customer service, excellent customer service at that. And so, with our tagline, we try to have the clients relax and not worry or think too much about the event. All they have to do is tell us what they want, and of course, we take care of it. So of course, while we curate the experience, they get to celebrate.
Okay, so how did you get started?
Okay, so I actually got started by having a spontaneous date with my now fiance.
Look at you.
And so I thought about it, got the boards, everything, made the table, and cooked Sunday dinner, like a regular